Attention, Saudhan. Stanitis, Vishram. Let's see. Stanitis. Attention. Stanitis. Attention. Stanitis. Attention. Stanitis. Attention. Stanitis. Attention. Let's see. Attention. Saudhan. Command. Class, attention! This is the most and important command. On getting the command, raise the knee to form 90-degree angle and stomp it next to the right foot with the heels touching to the ground. Both heels should touch each other, forming a 30-degree angle. Stand straight. The knees, waist and neck should be straight. The shoulders should be pulled slightly back with chest out. Arms should be straight and close to the side of the body. Fists should be closed and the thumbs out. Focus in the front. Let's see. Stanitis, Vishram. Command. Class, Stanitis. On getting the command, raise the left knee to form 90-degree angle and stomp it at the side on the ground. There should be a distance of 10 to 12 inches between the feet. Both arms should be taken behind. The right palm should be placed over the left palm with the right thumb over the left thumb. The legs should be straight.